Standard form is the way we usually see numbers written, using digits, commas, and a period when needed. Here are some examples of numbers written in standard form. We have 10 and 88 hundredths. We have 387 thousandths. We have 92 and 3/10ths. And we have 6 and 91 hundredths. When writing a number in standard form, keep these 4 points in mind. If there is a THS at the end, then there will be a decimal point. If there is an and, there will also be a whole number to the left of the decimal point. Note the ending. This is the place where the decimal number will end, and use the decimal chart to help. Use the chart as a guide to write the decimals in standard form. For question 1, we have 216 and 2/10ths. So the and tells us that we have a decimal point, so I'll put the decimal point in for this number. We have 2/10ths, so the 2 is going to go in the tenths column. And then in front or to the left of the decimal point, we have 216, and 16 consists of 1 10 followed by 6 ones. So this number is written as 216.2 or 216 and 2/10ths. That's how we say it in words. Number 2. We have 32 and 9 thousandths. The and tells us that we have a decimal point, and we have the THS word is thousandths. So this last number 9 is going to go in the thousandths column. There are no other numbers before that written in words, so I'm going to replace or place a 0 in the hundredths and tenths places. And then to the left, we have the number 32. That consists of 3 10s and 2 1s. So we can write this as 32 and 9 thousandths. For question number 3, 4,506 and 24 hundredths. We have an and that gives us the decimal point. Hundredths, the THS tells us the last place value that we're working with, so it's this place value that we're working with. And if we need to, we will have extra tenths that go there, so it's 24, where the 4 occupies that hundredths place. And now to the left, we have 4,000. That tells us where the 4 and the comma go. We have 506. So 500s, 0 10s, and 6 1s. So we have 4,506 and 24 hundredths. And now our last one, 900 and 8 hundredths. Well, we have hundredths is the THS, so the last digit, which is going to be an 8, is going to be in the hundredths place. We have an and, so we do have a decimal point and numbers to the left. Since we don't have any tenths being occupied, we're going to put a 0 in the tenths place. And then the number to the left is 900. So that's 9 and 2 zeros. So you have 900 and 8 hundredths. On this slide, it shows the solutions to each of these problems, and they reinforce what we came up with when we were filling in this chart and answering each of these questions.